Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we are going over a new Kaspa meme coin, a KRC20 meme coin inspired by the majestic Maine Coon. Ticker symbol is KOON, and this token, it was just announced, is getting a very big central exchange listing coming soon, and we're going to go over the information on this Maine Coon meme coin and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Coon token. So their Telegram is at KOON official, and they have 492 members. 127 of the Telegram members are online right now. So that's a great place to join the discussion with other community members, talk about the token, ask questions, that type of thing, if you want to get involved with the community. And on Twitter, I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen right here as usual. It is at KOON official, same address as the Telegram. It says Coon is a KRC20 meme coin inspired by the majestic Maine Coon. Its goal is to unite a powerful community to overthrow the dominance of dog-themed meme coins. Has a link to their webpage right there where you're going to find all the links and all the information on the webpage. Brand new project, just joined Twitter September 2024, 945 followers, 71 tweets so far, and a blue verified check mark there. Now, it was just announced on Twitter at XT Exchange. It says XT will list the Coon token soon in the innovation zone in the Kaspa Eco meme coin section. Stay tuned for a schedule of deposits, withdrawal, and trading. So how you could get this token is you could download XT Exchange from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or you can open an account on xt.com. Then after you open an account, you would fund your account with USDT. Then when the token gets listed, you can find out when the exact listing time and date is by following the Twitter right here or at XT Exchange on Twitter. They'll tell you the time and date, and then you would go into the trade section, search the ticker symbol KOON, and then simply just buy the token with your USDT. Now, most likely you can get this token in other ways as well, but since it's a Kaspa token, you could probably get it off the KSPR bot, the Telegram trading bot. There's some DEXs, I'm sure, as well. Now, if you go to their webpage, yes, it'll take you to a bot on Telegram where you could buy the token. Right in the top right-hand corner of their webpage, coonofficial.xyz, it says buy Coon. You click on that. It'll take you right over to the Kaspa bot. You would need a wallet, of course, that would store Kaspa tokens. You know, you fund that wallet with Kas, and then you could use the bot to buy the token. It's real simple right on their page here. Yeah, they have frequently asked questions on their page. They also have a donation section, so you can make a donation if you like. Now it tells you, it's got a ticker symbol going by of the price of the token and the price of Kas. So right now it says the price of this token is 0.0002 Kas. So yeah, so what is the story? It says Coon is a unique meme coin inspired by the majestic Maine Coon cat breed, known for its impressive size and affectionate nature. Unlike the many meme coins dominated by dogs, Coon embodies feline power and nobility to unite a bold community movement. The goal is clear: to bring together an engaged and united community to overthrow the dominance of dog-themed meme coins and put cats back at the center of the stage. Coon is more than just a token. It's a symbol of rebellion and humor ready to conquer the crypto world while supporting noble causes in animal protection. So lots of cool memes on the web page. So they call it, instead of the tokenomics, is the tokenomics, which is funny. It says fair launched, no pre-allocation, no pre-sale, no taxes. Total supply 20 billion tokens. Tokens per mint 40,000. Now they have a roadmap on here, starting with phase 1 is fair launch without pre-mint for fair distribution. Building the first community base via social networks and crypto platforms. Development of the supportive community, the People's Cat. Goal to become the dog killer by surpassing major dog tokens like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. Aspire to be the first cat token to dominate the crypto leaderboard. Phase 2, launch of cat photo contests and giveaways. By the way, PopCat is an insanely popular meme coin. That's a cat meme coin. I think that is the #1 cat meme coin. I haven't checked the charts in a while, but I believe it's like in the top, at least top 50, might even be top 20 of coins. But it's, yeah, very popular cat meme coin, trying to compete out there with those dogs like Shiba, Doge, and yeah, whatever. And even there's even a frog up there, Pepe, you know, of course, in the top 50 of coins. But yeah, PopCat's very popular. Anyways, and then it says central exchange listings like xt.com, and then reimbursement of veterinary bills for those in need, integration of AI chatbot to provide real-time project updates, raising awareness about animal issues and promoting transparency, and then launch of a game. So they're coming out with their own game called Claws versus Token. And then marketing strategies. Then they're going to come out with an NFT collection. And then they're going to have exclusive giveaways. So they talk about donations, and they say it's essential to help our project grow. I mean, there's going to be top donors will receive Koon NFTs, so for their contribution. So that's cool. They have different goals up here of what they're trying to reach. And yeah, so they have common NFTs, rare, epic, and legendary. So 4 different types. Obviously, the common ones are going to be more common than the rare ones. And they also have frequently asked questions at the bottom of their webpage, like what are KRC20 tokens? How do you buy? So the central exchanges, it says, and other various marketplaces. It's not a very in-depth tutorial or anything. And then how are they created, yada, yada, yada. What is a meme coin? And they even have a Discord at the bottom of their webpage. So check it all out, koonofficial.xyz. This token will be listed on xt.com soon, or you could use the buybot link on their webpage. But go check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.